Today we will be talking with Lindsey L. Johnson, who's an attorney here at Coughlin Gerhart, and we're going to go into estate planning. So who would you really suggest get estate planning?
So basically everyone needs estate planning. Whether you're 18 or 80, it's a good idea to have those documents in place.
All right, and what are some benefits of having an estate plan?
So some of the benefits are it allows you to have control and peace of mind about who's going to act on your behalf if you're not able to, and where your assets would go when you pass away.
All right, can we go more into that too? How does it give an individual that more control?
So it gives an individual control regarding advanced directives, and that would be like for medical and finances. So the advanced directives consist of the healthcare proxy, living will, and power of attorney. The healthcare proxy and living will deal with medical decisions. So it's saying who can make medical decisions on your behalf if you're not able to. And then the power of attorney says who would be able to make financial decisions on your behalf.
Okay. So what does this mean for a person's assets when they pass if there's an estate plan that's not in place?
So if there's an estate plan, if an estate plan isn't in place, then that means that the person passed away intestate. So then New York State statute decides where the assets go at that time.
Okay. So I think all in all, having an estate plan can really ensure that peace of mind.
Yeah, having an estate plan can really ensure peace of mind because with an estate plan, you normally would want to talk to an attorney and have a discussion about, your family, where your assets are, to determine what the goals that the individual wants to ultimately accomplish. So some of the things during a discussion with an attorney that may be brought up is whether there are children or disabled individuals. If there's children, normally you want to talk about who's going to be the guardian, who's going to be able to take care of the children if you're not there, and also where that money is going to go. So if you want it to go to your children, but they're minors, maybe you want to set up a trust for their benefit so that money doesn't go into the minors' hands, so they don't go out and buy like a fancy sports car or the latest limited edition Labubu or whatever it is at the time.
Yep.
And it also protects individuals that may be disabled. So if your loved one's disabled, they might be receiving certain state benefits. So you want that inheritance to go to the individual, but to protect any benefits that they may be receiving. And a supplemental needs trust may be such a tool that could be used for that instance.
All right, perfect. Well, Lindsey, this all seems like very important information. Thank you for joining me today and letting us know.
Yeah, thank you.